Back then, I probably didn't realize it was running as bad as it was, to tell you the truth. It didn't seem like it was running that bad. Yeah, I would definitely say that we had a communication issue.
We really looked at all our waste, and I have to say, and then sometimes it was almost a little embarrassing to find certain things, but was taking the right attitude and seeing it more as an opportunity, you know, and looking forward. Well, it literally means excellence in America, growing lean with Bilstein employees.
It involves making our processes leaner, I should say. When we start with huddle meetings in the morning. So what else needs improvement from yesterday?
The Huddle Board success, I think it offers a very organized and structured approach to beginning every day, so the teams can come together. And one of the interesting things that we implemented was the what went well, so people have an opportunity to talk about the positives, not only the negatives.
In the beginning, you know, we would ask what went well, and it was complete silence. I mean, you hear crickets, because everybody was like, well, what do you want? So I think with this approach, we started at least to give everybody a little more confidence to talk about their problems.
The tube guy's not aware of what we're changing over to, what tube number we need.
It was painful for me, to be quite honest, because it's very open and clear communication. Opening up the channels of communication between the different departments and opening up and talking about the root cause of the issues actually empowered the people to honestly talk about the problems, develop solutions, and implement the solutions actually.
Every morning we come through after the huddle meetings, we have a management review, supervisors, logistics, quality, maintenance, to go through and check the issues on the board.
Looks like last night we had 342 in Maine and 416 in Maine. What needs improvement? Seal pack O-rings in the wrong groove. That started this weekend.
And it gets a cross-functional team reviewing the board so that everyone knows what their responsibilities are, what issues were there.
Communication, communication, communication.
People depend on each other as a team. They work together as a team.
And you know, the teamwork, that teamwork atmosphere.
Teamwork is a team spirit.
Teamwork's a big part of the way we do things around here.
It makes you excited to come into work. I mean, because you can look forward to coming in and saying, you know, this is my job, this is where I work, and you know, I've got a role in making sure that everything is the way I want it to be to put out the perfect part to our customer.
You can see our OE has jumped probably in main assembly 18 to 20% in the last year or so since we started the Eagle project.
It's about creating value for our customers. We are able to maintain a competitive sales price, maintain our superior quality, and in general offer a better value to our customers.
We created some room for working on issues we always wanted to work on but never had time, for new developments, for developing new suppliers, for really spending some more time on training for the employees.
The transformation Eagle is probably one of the best things that's happened to us in the last 3 or 4 years. I mean, it's made a big difference. Our productivity's up. You know, we have, like I said, a lot of things get done now.
We were recognized back in June by the Cincinnati Enquirer as one of the top workplaces 2010 in the Cincinnati area.
Our sales funnel increased tremendously over the last year with several projects in all kind of sizes here for the NAFTA market. And again, in addition, we did receive we got awarded 2 new programs in the last 3 months.
Historically in Bilstein, most of the product development, product design has been completed in Germany and then supported in the U.S. One goal of mine is to create a engineering center here that not only supports our U.S. and OEM customers, but also as a development center, an innovation center.
You know, as a leader of a company, you always have to appear very strong, and you have to be always very certain. But that doesn't mean, you know, behind what you show that you're not doubt yourself. So me personally, the last 2 years helped tremendously to develop confidence in what I'm doing.
Bilstein has a page on Facebook. You know, you can go over there and look at it any time and say, you know, these guys are talking about how wonderful the shocks are that I built last week.